people, yo, but not tell a lie. The youth there, talented, very talented young man, you understand? And you know, several of them in Jamaica, you know what I mean? But sometimes them just hard to find. But we don't know so Jamaica full of talent. You get me? Whether in sports, whether in entertainment, whether in every different form you can think of, you have some young Jamaicans there who are really talented, and especially in the ghetto era them, you understand what many people that call like the violent era, you find some real talent. They are in the country parts them, you know what I mean? Yeah man, you will find them people, me I tell you have more talent with younger people in the ghetto era them and in the country part them than the youth them when they're uptown, you understand? Because the youth them uptown now, them kind of grow different, you get me? I say, so it's like them have everything around them, but these youth now in the ghetto and in the poor part them all open to everything, so them youth they kind of have this talent in them. You get me? I say, so yo, when you see a true talented Jamaican, I look at one man, push him, you know what I mean? Push him for go forward, because in the end people, we want the talent out there. Just like the local youth we see the other day named Inex, that local youth who do the music and thing, and the local girl don't do it. Yeah, very talented young man also. So that's why I'm telling you, keep supporting them. Not because when you say we come to Boom and we showcase them one time on our channel and maybe put out that one something that will go viral, still they have a YouTube channel out there, so we got support them, keep supporting these local youth, because we are the one who are going to support them and build these little youth and make them come to Boom now and continue the journey to go forward and keep out the problem. But once you leave them alone, they will get distracted and things. So well, but nobody this may give up, because nobody now follow this thing I am, and they will go just mess up themselves. So keep supporting them, please, people. You understand? When I say they look at you, them I do the talented thing and I do the whatever them love, and says a good thing, please continue to support them. Not because no link comes to Boom and feature at one time, on a follow it, on a laugh, on a say talented, on a left it alone. If you have a YouTube channel, go there and follow them, because they always go put things on their channel and support them. Continue to make them feel the presence. You know what I mean? So you don't know the thing of my viewers and subscribers, man. This is No Link from No Link Production, and we say attack, and we say talent, and we say local youth. You know what I mean? How we represent, man. As me tell us, represent for better. Because we want to see Jamaica a better place in the world. You know what I mean? All Caribbean countries, all nations, because in idea we are all one people. You know what I mean? We're created by one Father up above. You know what I mean? So let's rise and let's do this, man. You don't know the thing of people. This is No Link from No Link Production, man. And we say attack. Peace.